Okay, find the standard equation if we know the vertices and we know the asymptotes. Okay, so again, I'm going to plot the vertices just so I know which equation that I need. I think in the end, we don't even need to graph this one to know everything we need to know. Let's see, the vertices are 3, negative 5, 3, negative 5, and 3, 1. So are we looking for the horizontal or the vertical? It's vertical, right? Because the transverse axis got to go here. So here's the form we're looking for. Y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. Okay, can I figure out the center by looking at those vertices? Right, it should be halfway in between these two, which is right there. What are the coordinates at that point? Three, negative 2. What is the A? We need the A. What is the A? Okay, A is the distance from the center to the vertex. And now we need to know the B. How can we find the B? Kind of like in the last lesson, we got to the similar place when, and they had given us one more piece of information, and that piece of information was the eccentricity, right? In this case, what's the last piece of information they told us is supposed to help us? The asymptotes, right? Now, because this one is vertical, we would expect that the slope is what? Is it plus or minus A over B or plus or minus B over A? Try again. A over B. The vertical, it's A up and down, right? Just like we've got it right there. So we know that in this case, the plus or minus A over B is 2. Right? A over B equals 2. And we actually already know the A. A is 3. So we know that 3 over B equals 2. Solve for B. B equals 3 halves. All right, multiply times B, divide by 2. Okay, so we know everything to put in the equation now. Y minus, what is that? Actually, it's going to be Y plus 2 over the A squared. The A squared is 9 minus X minus 3 squared over the B squared, which will be 9/4 equals 1. Right? I mean, there's always a reason why they gave you that last piece of information. And you, in the end, you didn't really have to graph those lines or even graph the hyperbola. Just to understand, you know, if the A is the up and down and the B is left and right, then the slope is A over B. And you could tell that was 2.